Welcome students to this week's Spelling Netcast. We are doing Sort 22, Short I and Long I. We need to make sure we're prepared with all of our things that we'll need. We need handy dandy glue stick, a sharpened pencil, our scissors, spelling words, spelling journal, and our spelling words. Okay, here are all the words just in case you left them at school. You can copy those down. All right, first thing we're going to do is cut out our spelling words. I'm going to cut off this title because we need to put that in our notebook. Cut off our exemplars. Don't cut those exemplars apart yet. Then we can cut out our spelling words. I like to cut them in columns, as you know, so we can stack them and cut them out together, which makes it quicker. All right. Now we need to get our our science spelling journal. We have all three of those. Find the first page that's blank. Don't forget you need to write on the back also of each page. So I'm going to get my handy dandy glue stick and apply the glue and stick that in my notebook. First thing. Some of you forgot last time that you needed to put that title in there. So let's not forget this time. All right, now I need my exemplars. Forgot to cut that corner off. All right. And write those down. We're going to go 2 lines down. Start that. So we have short symbol for the short I sound. I. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Long mark over that I, so it makes the I sound. Consonant, vowel, consonant, E. Then we have I, G, H. I makes the long sound. Vowel, consonant, consonant. Then we have our Y, which also makes the long I sound as consonant, vowel. Okay, let me cut these exemplars out now. And I will put that in my spelling bag for later use when we do our other sorts. Remember, you don't need to bring these words back to school. Just use them at home because you have a copy at school. All right, so now that we have that done, I'd like to underline those. All righty. And then remember, students, the better spellers we become, the better readers and writers that we will become also. Please make sure you write everything that I write. You can pause this video at any time you need to. So what you need to do when you're doing this with me is you need to read the word out loud, spell the word, then write it under the correct exemplar. So let's get started and work on this. So the first one is a short I sound. There's only a couple of them, so I'm only going to do one of them. And I'm going to do quit. Quit. Q-U-I-T. That says I. That's a short I. Q-U-I-T. Q-U-I-T. And the I makes a short sound, I, quit. You've worked with those lots of times before, I am sure. All right. Now let's work on some other words. The long I with the CVCe pattern. Let's look and find Where did I put the other? Other words. There we go. Here's one that we can use. All right. 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 Remember that the WR, the W is always silent, so we just start with the R sound. But this is the long I sound, right. So let's put it under here because it has an E on the end also. Long I, E. We have a consonant, vowel, consonant, E, consonant, vowel, consonant, E. So W, R, I, T, E. There's a long I sound. All right, I'm going to underline the consonant, vowel, consonant, E. Right. Since we're speaking of the word right, here is another word. It also says right. Is that a little confusing? These are homophones. They sound the same, but they are spelled differently. And they don't fit under the same exemplar. This right is going to go with the IGH. The GH of the IGH pattern is silent, but the GH signals the I sound is long. So it's a long I because of the GH. We can label it either vowel, consonant, vowel, or we could label it consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. Either way, the I is followed by GH, which makes the I a long sound. Okay, so we're going to write this in there. R-I-G-H-T. Underline vowel, consonant, consonant. I-G-H makes a long sound. Okay, so we're done with those. All right. Let's look at another thing, which is the QU words. The QU words. We have quick, quite, and quit. The initial sound says what? Qua, qua, quick, quite, quit. The sound U represents another sound, which is W. But it's not the U, I, in other words, does not represent that same thing. The QU is always together, and it sounds like a W. All right, so let's see where these words might go. You already have quit, and they fit under there. So let's go on to something else. Let's do the Y equals the long I, which is a consonant vowel. And there's one right on top. So shy. I is long. The Y is the long I sound. S-H-Y. So consonant vowel, consonant vowel, because remember the Y acts as the long I, so that is a vowel. We could do another one. Why, W-H-Y. This is fairly easy. All right. Now, I just want you to finish doing this sort. Oh, there is one more word we need to talk about. live is a homograph that can be pronounced two ways with two different meanings. So you could sort that as an oddball because this word says live and this word says live. If it's live, it's the long I sound. If it's live, it's the short sound. And they have two different meanings. So we could put an oddball over here, depending on how you want to use it in a sentence. So go ahead and finish this sort the way we have started out. If you have any questions on this, please come to school and talk to your homeroom teacher or your language arts teacher, and we will, all of us, be more than happy to help you do this. So good luck, get it done, and we'll see you later.